Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by equipping the correct raid emblem or item that enables the raid banner option. This grants the menu you need. Once done, open the director and navigate directly to the raid node, because selecting it early saves time. Make sure to choose your Fireteam configuration and desired difficulty before creating the activity. These settings determine who can join and the loot tier. Press the Create or Launch button to spawn the raid banner and signal that the run is ready. You now focus on filling the team, open your roster and send invites, or post the quick play banner so strangers can join. Once people arrive, use the raid banner consumable if you need to reset checkpoints for the entire Fireteam. This is useful after wipes or roster changes. Make sure to verify power level and confirm roles, who tanks, who handles mechanics, because organization reduces time spent fumbling. When everyone confirms, use the banner to begin the encounter together. You complete the raid by following mechanics and using the banner to regroup between encounters. At the end, claim shared rewards and inspect the postmaster for missed drops. If the banner doesn't appear or players can't join, try relaunching the activity or have the Fireteam leader redeploy from orbit to refresh the instance. Finally, report persistent connection errors and use clan or LFG tools to requeue. This resolves most join issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.